Today I'm going to be replacing this valve stem right here. I'm going to be replacing it with the Colby valve stem system. I originally bought this for off-roading, guys, for when this thing gets torn or something like that. But if you see over here, I have a stuck lug nut. I only have 1 day to fix it because the city is on me about my tire pressure. Even though I'm not in an HOA, they're giving me a hard time on a licensed and insured vehicle. So we're going to end up replacing this today. I'll go ahead and show you. This is a little bit of water with dish soap. You see that right there? The bubbles. Take this off here. Got this kit right here. Where I'm going to remove the valve stem with this thing. There's the valve. Open it up. It's just a hole. Ripped it right out. And the tire's flat. So I got this thing right here. Put it in here. Just like that. Got me an 11 millimeter. That thing seems like it's on there pretty good. Alright, so that's how it looks when it's all done. Not seeing any bubbles. I think we're good to go. And there we have it. All done.